Hello, good morning. I am Hassan Raja. I'm a founder and director of Peace Mind Services. We are into educations and other kind of businesses. Just today, I want to discuss about the education regarding to the teenager entrepreneurship training and developing programs. Today, I am with my parent, Mr. Manan Shah. He's having a son, 10 years old. He wants to know about this program in detail. So today we are live with him, Mr. Manoj Shah, and I will try to give the best possible way of answer to him and to what extent is going to be beneficial. Today I would like to discuss the competition in India. I will discuss about the what kind of challenges that students, parents, and faculties are facing problem in India. That's talking about. And who will our how are we going to deliver the classes? Who will be the mentor of the classes? Many more things today I want to discuss with Mr. Manan Shah. So let us start with Mr. Manan Shah. So welcome to the board of welcome to the Peace Mind Services. I'm so happy that today you came. And as I know that you having son 10 years old and you are so much keen to know about the entrepreneurship training program for the teenagers. So let's begin with all these things. So before starting conversations, I would request you that let me go through one DPT from my side, and you can ask question whenever you feel any kind of clarification. You can ask me question on the spot, and I will try to give answer to you. Okay. So you can see that in the we are from Peace Mind Services and we partnered with the Tinuvo Incorporation. Tinuvo Incorporation is a Canada-based company and we operates in UK, USA, Australia, South Africa, Egypt, and many countries of the world. Those things are there. So just I'm giving you a glimpse of the Indian market. So here you can see that in terms of populations, we know very well that China is having the highest number of population in the world, right? But in terms of the adolescent age, means 10 to 19 years old, highest in the world, India having. So ahead of China also. So this is the biggest challenges that Indian people facing. That what will be the future of the children if they grown up. Now they are teenager 10 or 15 years old. So what will happen after 10 years, 20 years down the line? Nowadays, it's very difficult to find the proper job. If there is a vacancy of, we can say, 5 or 10 vacancy any of the company, hundred and thousands of people will apply for the same jobs. There is always cutthroat competition among the employee to get that job. Okay, so imagine that what will be situation after 10 years or 20 years or 30 years, 50 years down the line. So anyhow, we have come up some solution that how the children can survive in the futures. So as we know that entrepreneurship training programs, I can tell you in simple terms that entrepreneurship nothing but the father of all the profession. There are many professions like having doctors, engineers, chartered accountants, lawyers, many more are there. But apart from this, entrepreneur is the ultimate goal of anyone else. Suppose if you are working any profession, suppose if you are a doctor, you want to build a big hospital, means you have mind of entrepreneurship. Doctor is purpose that you are giving the treatment to the patient, but ultimate goal that you want to make, you want to construct big hospital. It means that you have entrepreneur minds. You want to run the hospital and where you can earn lots of profit. Like this, having also having same kind of thing lawyers, or they can you start the big firms. Same also having CA, they can start the big firms. Engineers, suppose you're working in any other company, suppose you're working in a mechanical company or any kind of software company, you might be having to mind that you want to start big company yourself, where many person will work under you, and you can earn huge profit. Just that's entrepreneurship. So entrepreneurship, I can simplify it in simple manner that entrepreneurship is the father of the all the professions. Okay, so why too late? My questions. Why are we going to offer to the teenagers? So one thing I will tell you that if you make trial and error at the early ages, so you have good experience. What is pros and cons of doing something? If you're getting training earlier times, so you will be perfect. In the future, you will not face problem because already that you have good experience of doing something. So here that we are going to provide the training to the children between 10 to 19 years old only. As per uh, Indian populations, we believe that this will be the revolution in the field of surviving themselves. If independent persons are there, they want to survive in the future, they can do wonderful. They will be the happiest person compared to any kind of profession they are doing. Okay, so let us come through one our Indian market I'm talking about there. So as you discussed with that, we have 10 to 19 years old highest number of population in the world. So here just just we assume that it's 35% of India's population. So 35% population is what? It's about 45 crore, huge number having, which is highest in the world. Okay, so if you talk about that for our understanding, just we take for the purpose of 5% as a sample study. 5% is our target audience, means 5% who understand the concept of the entrepreneurs. Otherwise, they know the what's the value and worth of doing this kind of courses now, and what the future of the entrepreneurs and how they enjoy the benefits and how they enjoy the life if they are entrepreneurs. So assume that just 5%. Even though if you talk about 5%, it forms about 2.25 crore teenagers still having huge. So 2.25 crore people are really waiting to get this kind of training in India. Okay, there are things I'm talking about here. Okay, next coming to the third one, that how the students, parents, teachers having challenges in India compared to Western country or some other country, how still India is not developed or advanced. I shall give you some points. I have jolted down some points. It will be helpful to everyone here. We can see that challenge number one, there is no concern about the parent employment outlook for the teens. If you talk about the parent, suppose if the children having 10 years old, so what your child want to become? Just I can ask question to you. Can you give answer, Manan? That your son is 10 years old. What he wants to do after 10 years down the line? So right now he was just thinking to start his own business because he saw that there is challenges to getting the job nowadays, as well as there is less possibility of the work-life balance. Okay, so most of the time I've seen that he is thinking that I will become a big businessman. See, I can agree with you that. I think you come across from me only that we are also offering the entrepreneurship training program for the kids. And do you think that it was already having in your mind that they have to start the a startup company at the early ages, like from 10 years onwards? Have you heard before that? Apart from us, apart from our group, have you heard that any company, any institutes provide this kind of training in India? Can you hear me? Yeah, this is a good opportunity. I think so. So I need more details before I just comment on that. Okay, that's great. Fine, fine, no problem. So I'm telling that majority of the parents, my concern here is that majority of the parents, we can say 99% of the parent of 10 years old parent, they don't have proper knowledge that whatever their son or daughter will do after 10 years down the line. Usually they think that they will study, let them study. It's just so young. They think that so young, child is so young. 10 years time, 12 years is so young. Let them study. After passing 10th, they will choose the stream, might be science, arts, or commerce, based upon the interest. Then let them plan whatever they want to do. Just I want to support. But in fact, if we are not supporting now itself, so it will be difficult to understand to the students. We are molding the future of the children at the early ages. So that case, that's the whatever here. We don't here we have to make the plan of every year of the child, whatever they want to do in their life, whatever having to mind they want to achieve their goals. So we can guide them. And as per the scientist says that child's brain develop 90% at the age of 6 years only. You can assume that at the age of 6 only, biological brain develop 90%. Rest are just 10%. So when the child reaches at the age of 10 years, means they are capable enough to understand each and every concept. Child having the creativity, more creativity compared to the adult one. And child can solve the problem in multiple ways. That's why having a capacity. Okay, so but we want proper mentor or guide to the children where they can learn, they can understand each and every concept, and same thing they can implement also. What my point? These are things are there. This is the first challenges they are facing. Talking about second challenge, that lack of global platform promoting the teen entrepreneurships. So in India, we don't have any kind of platforms where we can support to the children to start the company. I have seen that many children, some few school I have visited personally, and discuss all these things. Do they have this kind of training courses that they are providing some company or from their school curriculum they might be having? So they are telling me they don't have, but they have children, they have potential, they can do it. I have seen that one school I visited there, the one children at the age of I think 10 years old, he has developed the water saving machine tools. So this is one of the good invention he made it, but he is unable to process next, what to do next. He has developed some things. They have solution for the world level, but they don't know how to proceed further. So in this case, they want entrepreneurship skill trainings. If you give the trainings, then definitely he can do wonderful in the world of environment and all. That things are there. This is a very rare person. There are many person. I'm talking about many parents or entrepreneurs. They understand the worth of doing the entrepreneurship, but they don't have proper uh, institutes or proper school education where they can learn from the beginning itself. Okay, the public know very well about the entrepreneurship, but they don't know how to push it further to the teenagers. So anyway, we come up with this new solution where we can train to the and give the mentorship program with the help of a high class mentor, almost all from the industry backgrounds. So they will train to the teenagers where they can start the company from beginnings until the product or service placed in the market, that we are giving the service to the children. Okay, next problem number third year, lack of options, passive learning in school educations, government support and local chapters. So as we know that children might be studying at the CBSE board, ICSE board, IGC board or any state board. So here often we have poured the syllabus to the children that they have to study as per the syllabus. If they want to pass in the examination, they have to refer the books as per the syllabus given by the particular board and all. Okay. So we are forcing the child to study. If they want to pass in the examination, they have to write as per the syllabus. But we never ask to the children that whatever the area of interest, which thing they like, which thing they don't like. We never ask to the children. So this is the biggest loophole here in the market, right? They don't understand. We don't give the opportunity to the children to learn something better as per their area of interest. Okay. Next, I'm talking about current education. Current system of education is to produce to the employee, not entrepreneurs. Very simple. We are working for the company. So whatever, suppose any person working for the company, so they have to come on time and leave on time. Leaving time secondary. It depends upon the employee. How many hours if they want to give extra, they don't want. That totally depends upon them. It depends ultimately to the performance of the employee. I need to say here that suppose persons are engaged from 9 to 6, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. they are working for the office. Forget about night shift. I assume that working for night shift. Person are employed last 10 years. After 10 years, suppose employee falls sick, he to leave 15-20 days because of severe health problems. So company can give the let's say leave to them, sick leave we're talking about. If it is going to continue, then company will prescribe to put on the paper because company want to take the work from somebody else. So it means that company doesn't bother about your health or something. Simply company paying to you because you are doing work for them. The day stop you working for the company, company will stop giving salary to you also. Getting points. So many more things are there. So keeping into mind all these factors. So here that one, our syllabus design as a CBSE board, ICSE board, IGCSE board, or institute board, that you have to always become the employee of the company. And very, I think as per my knowledge, none of this syllabus board covered the topic of entrepreneurship, where children can learn the entrepreneurship skill from the beginning itself. Very rare. As per my knowledge, it's not available. Getting fine. So here what happen, if you talk in simple terms, employee is nothing but servant of the company because they are getting paid based upon the work or work hour per hours spent in the company to give some profit to the employer. Okay, this is a challenge that we are facing it here. Okay. Now coming to here that uh, Tinubu Incorporation. Just I want to give the brief about this company. As I discussed with you that we partnered with the Tinubu Corporations. So this is a global immersive social enterprise platforms where we are going to educate to the teen entrepreneurs and pre-teens. Okay. So you can see that as we discussed with that, we are operating in many countries of the world, like UK, USA, Australia, South Africa, Egypt, and many countries of the world. So we are the first mover in the world, giving the theoretical training, practical trainings, and many more things that I will come one by one to that you have to understand. But in India, probably we are the first mover in India that we are going to provide this kind of training to the childrens. Okay, that things are there. Now I'm talking about here that our pillar. So these three persons are pillar of our company. Just I'm giving you a brief background of these three people. So Mary Olson, she is the media head of my company currently. If you see her background, she is the TV program producer in Canada. She runs the child's development program in Canada, where child can improve their life in personal and plus also professional also. So she running the own TV channel there. Okay. Second one talking about is that Dr. Vivian Johnson. She is this will be our academic head of my company, where she can provide the curriculum as per the age group. She developed the curriculum 10 to 19 years old. I just am giving brief about this madam that she has received the highest scholar award in Canada. That car scholar award she has received. In other words, I can say that she won just like the Nobel Prize in the field of education in Canada. So that was highest prestigious award she won in Canada, where they can utilize their skill and knowledge to the all over the world of the teenagers. So she is also in the last 40 years in the field of academics. She also teaching to the many MBA courses and all. So she develops the curriculums, and based upon that we are giving the instructions or suggestion to the teenagers where they can start their own startup company at the early age till the product or service place in the market. See, further go to guide indirectly. Roshan Shah, this one is that he is a senior entrepreneur. He manages many companies, and he is a person who will also guide to the teenagers to how to start the company. Any kinds of problem they face during the startup of the company, he will also going to help the children. Their things are there. Just I discussed with you that one more thing that I forgot to tell you that Dr. Vivian Johnson will train to the mentor and coach in India. A same coach, or we can say a business coach, will train the your child directly. So here what happened? As I discussed with you about her background and all, so such kind of great person will be there where they can train to the our business coach, that we say instructor, and same instructor is going to train your child. You are getting from education, means your child is getting education from the right persons where they can improve their life and all. Now, I just I'm giving you about all this thing to you that here you can see that our business model, we work on this four model. LEAP method. LEAP. L stand for learnings, E stand for experimental engagement, A stand for access to the global network, and P stand for promoting the teenager startup company. So these are the main thing, we can say backbone of our courses. We can say business model of my company. So learning is what means that we are going to provide training through online or offline. Actually, this program. So this model will be for this particular course, right? Yeah, yeah, correct, correct. Okay. Yeah. So actually, what happened here? We are this program designed for the face-to-face teaching, offline mode teaching. But due to COVID-19, we can't conduct classes offline because government still has to give the green signal to start the classes. Okay. So, but we are going to provide classes nowadays through online. Okay. So there things are there. Now, coming to the here next point. Yeah. We can see next one, experimental engagements. Very, very important. Whatever the syllabus design and instructor or business coach is going to guide and train your son. And after getting the theoretical knowledge, that's not sufficient. They must know also the practical things. So experimental engagement here, that we are giving the practical knowledge. We are giving the case-based study with the juniors. Moreover, going to happen workshops, seminars, events where childs can learn the everything in deeply and also with the practical things. Here that we are connecting to the local business chapter. In every city that we are having the local business chapter where we are connecting their investors, entrepreneurs, and parents, where they can guide the your son or daughter who are really aspirants to become entrepreneurs in the near futures. Okay, now I'm talking about practical things. Whatever here, we are also funding the startup of the teenagers also. We are raising fund on behalf of the teenagers, and we are providing. Actually, whatever as you told that this is the just like association of the teenagers, and we are going to interact with the investors, and based upon the idea and thought, we are giving 100% chance to the each and every teenagers to start their own company. Everyone must learn practical things. Suppose 3 4 students are there, and they have found some good concept, good idea, they want to start. For example, giving example, they want to start something. Suppose they want to provide the hygienic samosa selling. Yes, I'm taking for the purpose of exam. Yes. For the understanding, very easy just method where that you can understand. Suppose if the person want to sell samosa in hygienic, not local samosa. So what happen here? Require that they want good quality of heat, good quality of potato, oil, and all the kind of spices, all other ingredients talking about, and good cook also required, good cook properly, and after that having proper packing. So you can say one pack or two pack they can make it a proper hygienic, and they have to supply to the respective shop or respective hotels where they understand the worth of the quality of the samosa. You can tell that usually that you are finding rupees 10 per samosa, but that's not hygiene. You will find the roadside. But it's the same plan made by the children that they want to sell the hygienic samosa or good quality food and all. Just they can charge, say, instead of 10, they can charge 12 rupees. So, but they're making good attractive package, and they are giving to the anyone, they will take happily because public will think that it's a good quality samosa, it's a proper packed, and we are giving the all the detail of the ingredients, quality food that we are going to provide. We are giving the organic flour, many things we can add something, good quality food where public can gain the trust. So they can purchase many times, multiple times. If they can repeat the purchase cycle. So this is a big business that we can say they can find loopholes here. So if you stay in any of the city and if you are getting the delivered samosa hot at your doorstep without wasting time and you are getting good quality food, of course you love to place an order. Getting point. So like I said, suppose you want to start this kind of company, your son or daughter needed rupees 50,000. Just giving you some example. Okay. So that case what happen? We are going to connect to the investors. So they will give rupees 50,000. So you have to start this startup company. After a period of time, you can say that after 1 year that you have made transaction of rupees 3 lakh rupees. Okay. So what happened here? So your first uh, priority of the children that sorry, I forgot to ask you that we are going to assign a task to the teenagers. We will appoint some other person director of the company. Some children going to appoint as a VP of the company. Some person we are going to appoint the CEO of the company. So we are going to assign a task, and that you have the responsibility. They have to fulfill. They have to perform very well. Then they can able to get the business in the future. Right? So based upon their strength, our mentor and coach, the highly expert person, because they are to industry background, so they will support them based upon the strength and uh, they will guide them from beginning to end, from the scratch to till the product or service for the market. So in this case, what happen here? They will assign the task, they have to perform very well. After 1 year, we can say, just give me after 1 year, they have made turnover in 3 lakh. So initially investment how much? 50,000 invested by the sub investor. So first priority, here they have to return back rupees 50,000 to the investors. And rest of the amount is the profit to the all the teenagers. It means that 50,000 is returned back. They have made transaction 3 lakh means 2.5 lakh is the profit for them. See, this is not a huge amount they have invested just for the sake of knowledge how the entrepreneurs work, what kind of challenge they may face, what kind of hurdles come in the futures, how they have to sort out, how to manage to the people, how to manage to the finance, how to see the market demand and supply, how to face the competition in the markets. Many more challenges will come, so they will understand the practical. So, selling samosa, yeah, I think this is not a very big job, but for the children, for teenagers, they are capable to understand each and every concept where they can start their company at the early ages and they can get the practical knowledge. And if you talk about that in the future, after suppose if the children got any this kind of trainings, so if the person is able to sell samosa nowadays, if the teenager is able to sell samosa nowadays, same teenager can sell the Ferrari car also in the future, because we are sowing the seeds. We are sowing the seeds in the brain of the teenager to become entrepreneurs. We are giving the proper environment, practical knowledge where they can start everything so soon. Getting point? These are things are there. Now moving to the next one. Here, business for that have access to the global network. Here, what happens? We know that there are many teenagers around the world. So our objective that we are connecting to the teenager around the world in single platform on the basis of global networking site. So here that we having the particular site, each and every child will get the login ID and password where they can log in this account and they can exchange the thought and knowledge, just like give and take. Okay, so here what happens? You can see that some idea they're having, they can post there. Some person can also give comment on this. I can see that here this is just like LinkedIn. How do we use in what's professionally LinkedIn? Same thing for teenager also. This kind. So they can give and take the knowledge and all. And by the way, parallelly also they will also find the investors. Investor will also keep an eye to the children's idea and thought. What kind of idea they're having. Okay, if they feel that this idea is very wonderful, so they may invest crores together also. It depends upon their understanding. If they think they are really convinced the idea that you know that you want to do something like this, I'm talking teenagers, so investor can invest crores together also. So this is a good platform we are bringing to the top class people all over the world where they can exchange the thought and knowledge. Okay, and coming to the here next year, last one, promoting your startup. So first they have done the theoretical trainings, they have learned the practical trainings. They have started their own company. Now problem is just selling the product. Difficult task. One of the biggest challenges I'm talking about in India. Merely producing doesn't make any sense until there is sale out in the market. So you have to study the consumer behavior. You have to target the your consumer where that you can find. You can sell this. All. Take this example of samosa. Suppose you have manufactured samosa, where you have to sell, so you have to study all these things. So here we have separate department called media department. Here the department called the teenager.com. Teenagerstartup.com. Sorry, teenagerstartup.com. So this division we are helping the child to making marketing, branding, and promoting the product service in this platform. Okay, so you can see that we are conducting, we are writing about the, let's say, we are promoting your product services. Talking about. Okay, you'll find here many stories are there, blogs are there, internships are there, marketplaces. I will show you the all the site related to all this. Okay. Now, actually, we are providing the trainings are two types, B2B and B2C. We also make tie-up with this top school in the city where we can train the children in the school itself. We can adjust in the syllabus of the school and they can train. And any colleges or any kind of having association also they can target. They can also join with us. Now B2C what we are giving the training to the a very tiny batch, a very small group that is 1 to 6 and 1 to 1. Here group of 6 children that we are giving. But one mentor will be there, one mentor instructor what you say, one mentor will be there, and they have only 6 children, 6 teenagers, where they can guide from beginning to till end. Also, yeah, some of the parents they demand that no teach to only my children, pay 100% attention to my child. So 1 to 1 also available. So your son can join either 1 to 6 or 1 to 1. But if they join 1 to 1, the fee will be little higher compared to the 1 to 6 here. Okay, that is that. Now I'm coming to here that next one.